Hello and welcome to Dare to Disney. In today's video, we're going to be making our own Haunted Mansion decorations. Our first project is a Haunted Mansion Topiary. First you're going to need 3 styrofoam balls, and then I used purple and black flowers from the Dollar Tree. Alright, the first step is cutting the flowers off the stems. You're going to want to leave about an inch of the stem so you're able to stick it in later. This step is optional, but you can spray some glue and then add some glitter to your flowers. Alright, once you have all your flowers cut, you're going to start by taking a wooden dowel and putting it in the styrofoam ball, and then you're going to place your flowers all around the ball. I just went back and forth between the black and purple flowers, and then you'll repeat 3 times for each of the styrofoam balls. Once all 3 are done, you're going to take those wooden dowels and stick 2 of the smaller ones into the top of the big one to make a Mickey shape. Next, you're going to grab a terracotta pot and we're going to spray paint that. My husband did black and then purple and then a light purple on top, and he faded the colors together. And then we use the same spray paint technique for the wooden dowel. Next, you're going to take a printout of a silhouette of the hitchhiking ghost, and then you're going to cut the inside of this, making a stencil. Then I taped the stencil into place so it wouldn't move, and used some black paint to paint the inside of the ghost onto the pot. Alright, for the assembly, you're going to take some styrofoam and place this in the bottom of the pot. Next, take your painted wooden dowel and stick that right through the styrofoam. Next, take the Mickey Topiary and you're going to push that down on top of the wooden dowel. And this is the end result. Our next project is a Haunted Mansion lantern. I'm starting with 4 picture frames I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm taking out the backs and then the glass as well. Next, I'm taking a printout of the hitchhiking ghost and I'm placing that underneath the glass. Then I'm taking this fine tip Sharpie and I'm tracing the outline of the ghost. You're going to be doing this for 2 pieces of glass. Next, I'm going to outline everything in this oil-based paint marker. Once they are both outlined, I'm going to fill them in. For the next 2 pieces of glass, I'm going to be using this printout of Welcome Foolish Mortals, and I'm going to just use the same process with the Sharpie fine tip first, and then go in with the oil-based paint marker. Next, I'm going to be using some Mod Podge and black glitter to add a little sparkle to the ghosts. You can use a paintbrush to apply the glue to the inside of the ghost, and then just put some glitter right on top before the glue dries. tap off any excess glitter and repeat the process for the next 2 ghosts. Next, you're going to take some super glue and apply this to the 4 corners of the frame so that the glass will stay in place without the back of the frame. Then I'm just using that same super glue to attach the frames together. You're going to attach them in a square shape with matching sides opposite of each other. And this was the end result of the Haunted Mansion lantern. Our last project is a Haunted Mansion clock. The first step is taking off the back of the clock. Once the back is off, you're going to want to remove the clock hands as well. Next, I'm taking this printable of the Haunted Mansion clock and I'm cutting it out. I will leave the link in the description below where you can get this printable from. And now you're going to apply some Mod Podge onto the face of the clock. Then put your Haunted Mansion printable on top. To seal in the printable, I'm going to be using a spray version of Mod Podge that has a glossy finish. Next, I'm taking the cutout of the clock hands and I'm going to be gluing these on top of the original hands that came with the clock. And now you're just going to assemble the clock back together. Here is the final result of the Haunted Mansion clock. Thanks for watching and have a happy Halloween! Subscribe for more Disney content, and give this video a like if you'd like to see more Disney Halloween videos from us. Oh, and beware of hitchhiking ghosts.